Okay, so what are the different types of access modifiers?
In Java, we have four types of access modifiers. First one is public, private, protected, okay, and last one is that is default. Okay, so what is meant by public here? So if any data are declared inside a class as a public, means it is accessible to the outside a class, outside a package. Okay, and if any data is declared inside a class as a private, then it is not accessible to the outside a class. And if any data declared inside a class as a protected, so that will be accessed to the outside a class and in sub packages only. Okay, and it means first sub packages means first level of inheritance. Okay, and what is my default method? Suppose we are not mentioning any keyword there like public, private, protected, so by default it is considered as a default keyword, so we no need to mention the default keyword there. So if any method declare inside a class as a default, so that it will be accessible to the packages only.